Follow along as we walk you through the steps to upgrade to the new version of QuickBooks Desktop. Begin in your current version of QuickBooks. Make a note of your edition, like QuickBooks Premier or Enterprise, so you download the correct version in the next step. You should be signed in as the administrator, and all other users should be signed out. Later in the process, you'll need to know where your company file is stored. If you're not sure, press F2 and you can see it here. By the way, if your file is stored remotely, like on a server or in the cloud, download or move it to your computer before you upgrade. When you complete the upgrade, you can move it back. One more step and you're ready to upgrade. Rebuild your company file to fix any problems before you upgrade. That way, you can use your new version of QuickBooks worry-free. To do that, select File, Utilities, Rebuild Data. Select OK to close all windows. QuickBooks requires you to make a backup of your file. Select OK. Make a note of the location just in case you need it later. Select Save. QuickBooks is rebuilding your data. To see the results, select View Results, or select Close to return to the file. And then exit QuickBooks. Now you're ready to upgrade to a new version of QuickBooks. Make sure that QuickBooks and all other programs are closed. If you're an enterprise customer or have a payroll and product subscription, you might have received an email that includes a link on how to download the installation file. To help you find it, the subject line is Upgrade Now to Save a Call Later, QuickBooks Desktop 2019. If you received 2 emails, refer to the one you received most recently. Open that email and select the link to find instructions on how to download your new version of QuickBooks. It's important to select the same edition of QuickBooks you noted earlier. If you don't have a QuickBooks Payroll subscription or you don't receive an email, you can download QuickBooks at this web address. Select your country, product, and version, and select Search. Then select Download. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder to find the installation file. Double-click the file to install QuickBooks. Select Yes to allow permission for QuickBooks to install. Select Next, and QuickBooks begins the installation wizard. Select Next. Once you read the license agreement, check the box to accept the terms. Select Next. Choose the type of installation. If you use multiple versions of QuickBooks Desktop, or if other people access your QuickBooks company on a network, choose Custom and Network options. Then tell QuickBooks where you use the program, on this computer and shared over a network, or storing a company file on this computer to be shared over a network. Let's select Back to choose Express and allow QuickBooks to make the recommended choices. Select Next. If you're a payroll user, locate the license and product numbers in the email. If you don't know your numbers, or if you did not receive an email from us, select this link to retrieve them. Enter your license number and product number. Select Next. Leave this box checked to create quick access to tech support on your desktop, just in case you need help. You can delete these anytime. Select Install. QuickBooks is now installing the newest version. We're fast-forwarding things for this video, but installation can take a few minutes, so it's a great chance to take a break. Remember, leave your computer on and don't close the installation window. Congratulations! You completed Step 1. You're ready to continue to activation. Select Open QuickBooks. Choose the correct edition for your company. We'll choose General Business and select Next. QuickBooks reminds you to install the same edition on each computer that needs to open your company file. Select Finish. QuickBooks asks for permission to search for and install updates. Choose Yes to make sure that you have the latest and greatest QuickBooks updates. Now we can begin activation. Follow the prompts in this window to complete your registration. If the online registration flow isn't successful, you need to complete it manually. Choose Help, About QuickBooks. On your keyboard, hold down the Control key and press the R and P key at the same time. Follow the instructions on the screen to enter the validation code and manually register your product. The codes you need are in the email we sent you. If you haven't received an email, please call desktop support. Once you successfully activate QuickBooks, you're ready to update your company file. Choose Open or Restore an existing company. Open a company file is already selected, so select Next. QuickBooks opens a folder to look for your company file. If you don't see your company file, select this drop-down and navigate to the correct location, the one you noted earlier when we pressed F2. In this case, QuickBooks opened the right folder, so let's select it. It should be the file with a green icon. If you see more than one file, check that the file type is QuickBooks Company File. Select Open. To be safe, QuickBooks requires one more backup. Better safe than sorry. Select OK. Choose where to save the backup file and select Save. Remember, once you update your file, you can't open it in previous versions. Select Yes. One more quick step, and you're all done. The last step is to activate your payroll service. Select Employees, My Payroll Service, Manage Service Key. In this window, enter your service key. Select Next. QuickBooks tells you the license was successfully updated. Select Finish to close the window. That's it. You're ready to get back to business in your new version of QuickBooks. To make sure you always have the most recent tax tables, remember to set up automatic updates to save yourself a call later.